Hello everybody, welcome back to EduTap. In this particular video, we are announcing the launch of PFRDA Grade A Phase 2 recorded crash course. So if you are targeting the Phase 2 of the PFRDA Grade A exam, and if you want to comprehensively prepare for Paper 1 and Paper 2 of Phase 2, then this course is for all of you. Don't worry, I will let you know that what are the offerings under this particular course. But before I move ahead, EduTap is providing you a free ebook which will help you to prepare for PFRDA Grade A Phase 2 comprehensively. Now, what problem does this ebook solve? This ebook will basically give you the list of all the subtopics which you have to prepare. See, in notification, you only get the major headings. For example, they have written HRD, Human Resource Development, meaning and its importance. But is it the only syllabus? No, there are multiple subtopics which you also have to study in different sections of PFRDA Grade A Phase 2. So this ebook will help you to provide the list of all the subtopics which you have to cover so that you can increase your score in Phase 2. Now, one very good thing, this ebook is absolutely free for you. You can go in the description box below and download it. Simply by clicking on the link, you will be directed to one particular website, and from there you just have to fill your name, your email and your WhatsApp number. Simply you can download this ebook for free. As simple as that. Moving forward to our PFRD Grade A Phase 2 recorded crash course. Now what you are getting over here, first understand, this is your Phase 2, right? So to cover both the papers of Phase 2, we are providing you different material. For example, if you see for your paper 2, wherein the exam conducting authority will ask questions, 50 objective questions from 7 different components, right? So for all the 7 different components, we are providing you summary sheet, we are providing you quizzes, and we are also providing you solve previous year questions. And yes, we are also providing you recorded live classes. Now see, one batch of live classes we have already conducted, and these batches were conducted during the Phase 1 of the PFRD Grade A paper. Okay, so once the live classes are conducted, we will provide you the recording of the same. And you can watch these recorded live classes so as to complete your syllabus quickly and comprehensively. So we are providing you recorded live classes. We are also providing you summary sheets so that you can revise quickly, and then we are providing you chapter wise quizzes. Chapter wise quizzes are very important to solve so that you can gain confidence. Moreover, we are also providing you solve previous year questions. Same structure has been followed in different components, like for commerce and accounts, costing, Companies Act, economics, finance, management and pension. So for all the 7 components to prepare comprehensively, this is the material which we are providing to you. For current affair also, we are providing you all-in-one magazine which will cover all the relevant current affairs for your paper 2. And for descriptive English also, we are providing you the recorded live classes which will help you to understand the nitty-gritties of essay, précis writing, and for your reading comprehension also. Plus we are also providing you what fodder material. All these videos are in recorded manner, and the fodder material will be provided to you in the PDF manner. Okay, and this fodder material will help you to understand that how you can add some value addition points in your essay. Okay, but this is not the end of this. We are also providing you Phase 2 mocks, 5 full length tests for Phase 2 paper 1, 5 full length tests for Phase 2 paper 2 as well. And all these descriptive tests, Phase 2 paper 1 will be evaluated by our team. You will get your detailed feedback within the 72 hours as well. So this is what this recorded crash course is all about. Now you might ask me, sir, हमें doubts आया तो वो कहाँ पूछेंगे हम? So on which particular platform we will ask our doubts? Simply, my friends, don't worry for doubts. On doubts, we have the facility of discussion forum wherein we will reply to your doubt in 24 hours. We also have the email support. Email support as in you can mail us your doubts and we will reply to you again in 24 hours. Plus we also have the facility of weekly mentor talk wherein you can join a Zoom meeting and you can talk to our mentor. We also have the facility of strategy calls which you can you can connect to your mentor on a call and you can definitely get your doubts addressed. So don't worry for doubts, we are always there to help you. Okay, and if you want to look for more, like if you want to search for more PFRDA Grade A courses, then you can visit our website which is EduTap, which is www.edutap.in. Okay, www.edutap.in. Okay, visit our website to know about the prices, and currently we are offering a big introduction discount on this particular course as well. So thank you for watching this particular video. This is the end of this particular video and I hope you enjoyed it. So this is a recorded crash course which will help you to prepare comprehensively for Phase 2. Okay, a lot of MCQs are there to practice, a lot of solve previous year questions are there to practice. So if you are willing to join, we are more than happy to serve you. That's it. Have a good day ahead.